Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to install a greeter board in your 3M XT1 base station. What is a greeter board? A greeter board is a board that will greet your customers as they pull into your drive-through lane. For example, a greeter board could tell them, welcome to our restaurant. Let's say it's a taco shop. Welcome to our taco shop. We will be right with you. Or you could say, welcome to our taco shop. Our special is 3 roll tacos with guacamole for such and such price. Or you could say cheeseburger. Whatever type of a restaurant you have, a greeter board could greet the customers as they pull in. So if you're very busy, having a greeter board is very important, because some people will see that they don't get any reply because the actual attendant, or I should say the employee who's supposed to take the orders, is too busy and cannot talk to them, and so simply they will go reverse and go to a different restaurant. So it's good to have a greeter board. Now a greeter board looks like this. Let me show this from a closer distance to you. This is a greeter board, and it has a little connector, and I'm going to teach you and show you how you install this puppy. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you open the unit and you turn off to unplug the power. That's the first thing. To open the unit, you have to open these 2 screws. You know the screws that you need to open at the bottom. And once you open the screws, you pull this up, it's like this. You pull it up and then out. And once you have it out, you will have access to the inside where you can change the greeter board. Obviously, as I said, first you have to pull out the power. You never want to work on the unit with the power plugged in. So you pull out the power, and this is the greeter board. It plugs in right here, and it will simply be housed, or I should say attached, in this housing right here underneath this. Once again, this is where it plugs in. From a different angle I'm showing it to you, and this is where you basically mount it. So first you need to plug it in, then mount it. You plug it in right this. Make sure that all the pins are aligned and no pins are left. Make sure it's all nicely aligned, just like that. See it from all different angles. And you press it down. You press it down, and then you simply snap this into the place. Snap it out, back and down. And there it is. Our greeter board is in place, and it's ready to basically function normally. So that's how you install a greeter board. And obviously now what you need to do is you need to plug this in. Make sure it says greeter pass. The greeter must pass, because if you didn't plug it in correctly, it will say fail. And now you're good to go to put back the top cover. And how do you put back the top cover? You simply take the top cover, and you see these little notches up here. You first insert the notches on the very top. On the very top right here, you insert these notches like this, and then slide it down, and then close these knobs down here. That's how you close the unit. I hope this was educational. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.